I have quite a bit to get done. So the limbs that were hanging down, they are gone. My banana needs sun, my sugarcane needs sun, and my fruit trees need sun. So these had was to go. So yeah, I have a little cleaning up to do. Of course, I'm going to do it off camera. Look at my seedlings, guys. Welcome and welcome back to my small space gardening oasis where I'm growing in extreme heat, zone 13 to be exact. My name is Stacey and this is my tiny space container garden where I'm growing a wide variety of fruits and vegetables. By the way, look at this sweet sap. Didn't make it safely to the ground at all. So my seedlings are coming up. I think I need to take off some of these so that they can get little sunlight, because these look like they soon start growing leggy. These as well. That one can stay a little, so I need to take the cover off this and this. That one can stay a little bit more. I don't want them to grow leggy. These can come off too. My beetroots. That one can come off. Oh, I'm going to put back this one. This can stay a little. So yeah, my seedlings are coming up, which is a good look. I'm just water them in a little. I think I gave these two already, you know. Yeah, man. I gave these three already. So this one. By tomorrow, I'll probably take off those ones over there. I'm so happy to be seeing seedlings again. I've been sowing. And they are being destroyed and eaten. So I took a different approach again. So I am just looking for the best right now. Yeah. Just the best right now. Alright, so I have this one right here. Alright. And then this final one right here. Okay. So that's for my seedlings. Let me show you something. Look at this yam. And all along it was there, you know. I wasn't taking note of it at all. Wrapping around. Which one of the plant is this again? This one is the... Which one? This is the orange. This is the grapefruit. And this is a tangerine, yeah. This is a tangerine. Look at the yam growing inside there. I'm going to have to put it in something else because I can't let it stay with the tree. So I'm going to have to take out that. This is the lemon. You see those containers over there? especially this one, you know, from when I'm to top it up with soil. Look at my, what is supposed to be, what them call again? Sweet potatoes. I'm going to empty them out. If anyone remembers my star fruit tree and when I had to trim it down and when it seems as if it wasn't going to make it, my, look at my star fruit tree, man. My. So I have quite a bit of a cleaning up to get done. Oh, the progress of my onion bulbs. They're not doing bad at all. Well, I lost a few of them, like this one right here. Didn't make it. But they're not doing bad at all. Look at this yam. I put some diatomaceous earth on it because I saw a lot of stink bugs. But it doesn't seem like that is doing the stink bugs anything at all. I'm just going to skim them off in some salt water in some hot water. How I come by salt water, I don't even know. I came around here to show you something else, you know. I'm trying to remember. Oh, this yam. There's another yam inside here, so. And I say, you know what, I'm going to let this one stay in this bucket. Yeah. I just need to heal it, add some more soil since it's coming up there. And this is what? This is a sweet potato. So I'm going to take this out. And when I empty those buckets down there, I'm going to plant back this. I'm not even sure if anything going on in those buckets down there. But I'm going to check, and of course, I am going to share it with you. Yeah, because that's what we do. We share with each other. You learn from me, I learn from you. Nothing much going on right now, you know. Nothing much going on. But I am forever grateful. Who wants sugarcane or jumpum? I have a lot of jumpum for you guys. And my ackee tree, my ackee tree is just acking, looking good. So now I'm sure my banana tree is much more happier because it is getting more sunlight again. It pains my heart, you know. It pains my heart to see like this, but I had no choice. And they have a lot more blooms on there. So I have all of this to get done. Yeah. Let me show you this sweet sap right here. Let's see if I can zoom in. Alright, so you can see that there's a little bit more light in my garden. And I still have my little shade over here. So thank you so much for watching, and until tomorrow, walk good. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet